repos are getting more and more dangerous.
It's just appalling. It's appalling.
A 10-month-old asleep in the back seat of this SUV. The toddler managed to stay asleep while a repo man, who only goes by Frank, repossessed this vehicle.
I was shocked. I've been doing this 30 years. I have never found a baby in the back seat of a vehicle.
But what's more shocking is why she was there in the first place. Orange County deputies say 28-year-old Danielle Rivers left her inside the running SUV while he visited his friends here. That's not all.
Why would somebody who has a suspended license drive around with their 10-month-old, then leave it in a vehicle that he was not attending, especially on that side of town?
West 2 did some digging. We found out this isn't the first time Rivers has driven around on a suspended or expired license or no license at all. According to court records, it's at least the third in Orange County.
And he actually told the deputy he knew he had a suspended license.
Once the repo official noticed the 10-month-old, he called police. Meanwhile, deputies say Rivers followed the repo guy to this dealership after noticing the SUV being repossessed. Authorities say he's fortunate his baby is safe.
He's lucky today that the only thing that happened was a repo man took that car back.
Pretty sure I see an M5 up here. Oh, yeah. Dang, this thing still has a car sticker on here from Mazda. M3 at the auction. Wow, it's sitting so low. Look at that. Let's check out that interior. No sunroof. But man, these seats, man, these are nice. Let's see if this thing cranks up.
Fully loaded.
What? It's got like, I don't know much about BMWs, but man.
And see, the problem is, guys, people are modifying these BMWs. These cars are super expensive to modify. And not only are they modifying, they're getting them repos, so you're losing twice. It's sad, bro. It's sad.
I don't know what these two buttons do, but I do like the red start.
That's how I like new.
Like this little touch on there. Dang, I like how this is digital. See how that thing sounds.
It's nice though.
I got right in front of me, there's a Bentley.
Bentley.
Oh, look at that. Surprised this thing doesn't have a sunroof, but it does have that like silky, smooth, you know, whatever the hell you call that, headliner. Wow.
I ate.
Check out
Man.
BMW's repos at the auction. It's from BMW Financial. Right there, BMW Financial Services. It's nice looking.
See, the thing about BMW, guys, they'll finance anybody. They do not care because they know they can repo the car, resell it, and do the same thing over and over again. And most people lease BMWs, Mercedes. So that's why you see so many people with BMWs, because they will finance anybody, regardless of what your credit score is.
Coupe, red interior, looks super nice.
And you know what? Another thing real quick, guys, they probably weren't too far from paying that car off. But you know, times are hard, things happen, man. Sometimes you gotta get rid of that car. You know what I'm saying? These cars are being financed 72 months, 84 months. That's the thing about these luxury cars. They stretch them payments way out. And people be like, oh, my payment's gonna be this low, but it'd be like 96 months. So you gotta pay attention to that stuff.
The frameless doors are amazing. Rims are beautiful.
Again, that's a $100,000 car. Look, selling for $24,000 at the auction. So they still responsible for the rest of that money. And it's crazy right now. This situation is wild. See, running. That's crazy right here. Oh! Bruh, hey look, ain't no way I'm getting up on the car knowing these people are desperate for these cars these days. He put his head right, it's not that serious. It is not that serious, bro. That's like a 1995 daggone Ford. And he gonna put his, man, it's not working, guys. You tow truck people, wow, man. Ain't no way I'm that desperate to repo no car. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Man, old Slim. Hey. Get sued, man. He going to jail, bro. And he's still trying to get away. She didn't even call the police or an ambulance or nothing. You gotta go and do it, man. I be trying to call the ambulance. That's what I be saying.
Repossessed scat
That's
at the
wild.
auction.
Right
It's
there.
insane.
That is wild.
Look at the car. It's brand new.
Brand new scat.
Beautiful car. Look at it. Right there, 392 Hemi.
Yep.
Let's check the interior out.
Clean.
The color is amazing, like white with the black stripe. It's a beautiful car. Only has 21,000 miles. So it has one key right there. I mean, this is how you get rid of the car loan. Let's start it up.
Yeah, not paying for it. That's how you do it.
That sounds amazing.
Temporarily.
I really want to get it. But I think I'm going to go for a Corvette, not this. I'm looking at a C7. I might get that, I'm not sure. Sounds good. Right there, 392. Oh, right there. Here's the problem right here, guys. I guess somebody got into an accident and then never paid for it.
A lot of times, situations like that, guys, people get the money for the accident. They cut them a check, the insurance company, they blow the money, never get the car fixed, and just get the car repoed. So now they got a check and thinking they're going to get out of the car loan by letting it get repoed, not knowing they're going to still owe the money. Craziness, man. Crazy.
Just needs a headlight, the front bumper, and the fender right there.
Yep.
Look, car's beautiful. The front end is amazing on it. Like only 21,000 miles actually for a 2022 Scat Pack.
This man say he is not getting out that car. That man still in that shit.
Man, he tripping.
He's still at it.
Hey, look, once they got your car up like that, it's no point fighting, man. There's no point fighting. All you're going to do is end up ruining the car even more. Then when they try to sell it at the auction, they ain't going to get nothing for it. So now you're going to owe more money when the paperwork comes. And not only that, you risk getting locked up. They don't have to call the police and everything. Just let them have it, bro.
Only now, look, he ain't going nowhere. The wheels are moving. They got their gun. Oh, no.
Guarantee you're going to get locked up. Never fail.
They got him out. There he is.
I told you, I knew the guy was going to go to jail. It ain't working.
Okay. All right.
And you got locked up. So there you have it, guys, man. I hope we learned something from these videos, man. Nowadays, it's better to just don't buy anything because the finance charges, the length of the loans, man, are just outrageous. 72 months, 84 months. It's stretching people out, man, and things are getting tight, man. We just need to just hold tight and don't buy anything, especially a luxury car. The average price for these luxury cars are like anywhere from $70,000 to $100,000. And right now, I just don't think it's smart to buy a $100,000 vehicle right now. So if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.